Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the string functions. There are several functions available in the string. We will go to see about the some of the few functions here, and the rest of the things we will discuss in the upcoming videos. Let's move on to the video. First one is capitalize of function. This function is used to convert the first letter of first word into uppercase in the given string. Used to convert the first letter of first word let's see the example. I am taking the string as Python developer. Now I am applying the capitalize of function st dot capitalize. See, basically I am initially have given the small p only, but it was converted as capital P. It was changed in uppercase, and the rest of the characters are in the small case only. So the use of capitalize of function is to convert the first letter of first word only. There are two words available here. Converts the first letter of first word. The first letter of first word only changed. Then the next function is second one is title of function. This function is used to convert the first character of each word into uppercase. First character of each word into uppercase. Let's see the examples. I am taking the string as welcome to my home. And I am applying the title of function st dot title of. See, the first character of each word, has converted into uppercase. Capital W, capital 2, capital M, capital home. So the title of function is used to convert the first character of each word into uppercase. Next one is lower of function. This function is used to convert all the letters of given string into lowercase. It used to convert the given string characters in lowercase format. I am taking the string as Python. Now I am applying the lower of function st dot lower of. Look at here, all the characters has changed in lowercase format. The next one is upper of function. This is used to convert all the characters in uppercase. That means the capital letters. Convert the all characters in uppercase. I am taking the string as programming. And I am applying the uppercase function st dot upper of. It converts all the characters into uppercase. So all the characters will be in the capital letters. It shows all the characters in capital letters, uppercase format. The next function is lower of. Lower of function means it converts the characters into lowercase format. It converts all the characters in lowercase format. And is lower of function is to check the characters which are present in the given strings or either in uppercase or lowercase. It's used to check the condition only, whether it's characters are in lowercase or uppercase. Is to check checks whether the given string contains lowercase letters or not. Lower of function displays the result, but the is lower of function will display the result either in true or false. If the condition is true, it will display the true. If all the characters are in lowercase only, it will display true. Otherwise, it will display false. I am taking the string programming. I am applying the condition st dot is lower of. It displays false. Why means I have taken the first character in uppercase. This is the capital P. So it displays the false. It should checks all the characters are present in the lowercase only. It will displays, it checks the characters one by one, whether it is placed in whether it is given in the lowercase or uppercase. So initially it has taken in the uppercase format only. So it displays the false. Again I am taking the another one example, st equal to Python. I am taking all the characters in lowercase only, and I am applying the lowercase for condition function st dot is lower of. True. It checks all the characters in the given string. So all the characters are given in the lowercase format only. So it displays true. The next one is upper of function. This is direct opposite to the is-loera function. It's used to check whether the given string contains the uppercase letters or not. Used to check whether the checks whether the given string contains uppercase letters. Uppercase means capital letters. If all the characters are in uppercase only, it will display true, otherwise it will display false. I am taking the string as computer. I am applying the condition st dot is upper of, displays false because all the characters are given in lowercase format only, so it condition is false. No one is in the all the character is not in the uppercase format, so it displays false. I am taking another one example. Okay. I am taking another example. st equal to computer. st dot is upper of it displays true because all the characters are given in uppercase only. Then the next function is length of function. This function is used to count the number of characters in the given string. How many number of characters present in the particular string. Used to find out the number of characters present in the given string. Characters present in the given string. I am taking the string as Java programming. I want to know about the length of the string. So I am going for length of function, length of st. So it displays 16 characters. Totally 16 characters are available in the given string. Let's count it. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and it takes the space as a one character. So totally 16 characters available in the string. Then the next one. Counter function. Length and counter functions are displays the numerical values. It will return the numerical value results, but the slight difference is The length of function counts the total number of characters in the given string, but the countof function displays the number of repeated occurrence of the special string. Somewhat for a particular string we have given the n number of O's or s something somewhat, okay. So n number of characters we have given. We want to convert the how many, we want to count how many numbers, how many number of times the s is present in the string, how many number of times the O is present in the string. That time we will go for the countof function. So this function is used to count the number of occurrences of the specific string, specific characters in the string. I am applying the countof function here. st dot countof a. Totally 3 times a is placed, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 3 times a is repeated in the string. So the countof function used to count the repeated occurrences of the particular string. Another one is st dot countof. This is the string format, so should use the quotes. The letter should be given in the quotes. So 2 times the m is present in the string. Okay. Then the another function, findof function. Basically findof means we have to find out something, okay, but here the function finds the index position of the specific characters in the given string. Index number we have seen in the Python string properties, each character has its own index number, own and unique index number. So this function used to find out the where in which index number position the character is present. Finds the index position of the specific characters. Index position of the specific character. In the given string. Let's see the examples. st dot findof. I want to find out the index position of O. Is the seventh position. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7th position, the index number 7th position O is present, and I am going to find out the position of I. st dot find out I. Index position of I is 13. Okay. Let me explain you Java programming. this is the 0 position, this is 1 2 3 space 5 4 5 6, this is 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. See, the index position of O is 7. Then the position of I is 13. Okay, and I am going to apply for ST dot find of G. First index position of G is 8. And I am applying G one more time, 8. Okay, that's it friends. If you have any doubt, just leave the comment in the comment box. If you have any doubts, just leave the comment. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to all your friends. These concepts are very useful for the interviews, for those who are looking for Python jobs. So if you want any more topic, if you want to know any other topics, just leave the comment in the comment box and I will put the videos for that. Thank you friends.